Aviation demands absolute precision, but even the smallest mistake can lead to disaster. These recordings capture the raw reality of flight emergencies as they happen. Ultimately, such 15 flight failures highlight the thin line. Watch intense aviation errors. Number 20. Everyone on the beach went silent when this vintage plane suddenly headed straight for the ocean. Number 19. Look at the wings fighting the wind here. This C-123 pilot is battling for control, and man, they are terrifyingly close to a crash. Number 18. You won't believe your eyes. This firefighting mission in France took a terrifying turn. Watch the exact moment a pilot error sends this chopper spiraling straight into the lake. Number 17. It was supposed to be a routine training flight at Aviation AFB, but it turned into a total disaster. Watch as this F-35A loses control and erupts into flames on impact. Number 16. Everything seemed normal until the sky lit up. This Boeing 777 was barely off the runway when the engine exploded into flames. Number 14. It looked like a routine approach until the wing caught that light pole. Watching the plane tilt like that, it makes your stomach drop. Number 13. You're looking at a multi-million-dollar jet just seconds away from disaster. Watch this F-35 nosedive during landing. It's hard to watch, but against all odds, the pilot actually survived this. Number 12. This looks like a dream vacation until it goes sideways. Watch as this helicopter pilot miscalculates a landing in Fiji and clips a tree. The outcome is genuinely shocking. I honestly thought there was no way they'd pull this off. This is Gustav III Airport, and watching this pilot fumble the landing is genuinely terrifying. Number 10. You won't believe your eyes. This isn't just bad weather. Watch how a simple landing in Antarctica turns into a nightmare just because the pilot loses all visibility. Number 9. 1 second, the MiG-29 is prepping for takeoff. The next, It's a fireball. Watch how quickly the pilot has to react just to get out alive. Number 8. This Me-14 helicopter was supposed to have a standard water takeoff, but it ended in a total disaster near Sakhalin. You have to see how quickly this escalated.
Okay.
Number 7. I still can't get over this footage. Look at the nose gear completely collapse. The pilot had zero time to react. Number 6. I still get goosebumps watching this. A routine landing in Peru turns into a nightmare in seconds after a fire truck pulls onto the runway. Here is what actually happened.